Welcome, in front of me is a Nothing Phone 3A Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. Now in the title it probably says SIM and SD card, but this phone does not have an SD tray, so you can only insert two different SIM cards. Now for this you will need a SIM ejector like this one, which comes provided with a device, although it's looking also as fancy as this, but clear. And once you have that one, you can pop out the tray. Now if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten one on the ends, and it should work just as well. But anyway, once you pop out the tray, you'll have space for a SIM card on each side. So grabbing our card, we're just gonna plop it in here. It does have retention brackets on top and bottom. Thank you so much. Samsung decides to skimp out on just a literal imperceivable amount of plastic to not put on a retention bracket on the top tray, because it's not like you're gonna flipping the tray upside down. So thank you Nothing for doing this. It's just nice to not have to worry that my card falls out, or maybe if I'm putting in the tray it kind of jumps out or whatever. Now I do want to point out, when you're putting that card on the tray, just make sure it's clipped in correctly. It should not be falling out. Anyway, once you insert it back into your phone, it should start working right away. Give it a second. Come on. Oh, I'm not here. Alright, so it is detecting it. I think the SIM card that I inserted doesn't have a pin, because you can see it is reading the SIM card right over here. And anyway, that is basically how you insert your SIM card into this phone. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.